think point A is the lowest, eh? So make sure if point A fits on your drawing board and it's somewhere here, then point B somewhere here, point C somewhere here. Well, let's make this 50 angle. Okay, then we start with x. Then you write here x 200. Then the next one is going to be 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. You can write it out or you can just use the last, because this will stay constant. So you can write it like that, or you can write it out. X. You can extend this line a little bit. Okay, our y is negative. So this is going to be negative y. And what was it? 16,000 or something. What did I give the coordinates? 16,000. Then it's negative 16,050, 16,100, 16,150, 16,200, 16,250, negative. Okay, then you need to look at the coordinates I gave you. You guys have it, yeah?
I have no.
The 62,000. It's not 16,000, sorry. So you're going to have to change this 62,000, 62,000, 62,000. 62,000 and 64. If this is 62,000 and that is 62,050, then 60,000, 62,000 and 64 must be in between here. So 50 and 100. So 64 will then be 10 and 4. So it will be somewhere in this direction. Okay, so you can make a light line. Okay, so we have the y distance. We need the x distance now. The x distance is 112,080. Okay, this is not gonna work, so let's make this 0.50. Then we make this . Okay, if that's 50, this is 100. 80 will then be 60, 70, 80. It will be, yeah. So then you go down where they meet. That is where point A is. So then you make a circle, or you color it in. There's point A. Then we need point B. Point B is 62,109. So point B is going to be somewhere here. Is that correct? 109. So it will be, yeah, somewhere on this line. If we look at the x coordinate, 112,175. There's 150, 200. 75 will then be 60, 70. 4, it will be there. There's point B. Okay, point C, negative 62,236. So 210, 220, 230, 36 will be somewhere here. Okay, the x will be 112,098. Okay, if that's 100, that is 50, 10, 20, 30, no, is it correct? 60, 70, 80, 90, 8,5. And then you take it over, there is C. Okay, so immediately I can see this is up too much. We need to bring this down. So maybe start with this somewhere here in the middle and then take this coordinates up, né? Because now we need to plot the spot heights and now they might not fit. Let me just check if I have the protractor here. The direction is 222. So 80. 180 minus 222 is 42. So then we take it to this side. 42. It's somewhere here. So somewhere in this direction. And the distance is 46. So it's going to be here. So already it's not going to fit on my grid system. That's why I said you need to take it down. So then you include that height there. 78,21. Then you do the next one. 167. If 0 starts here, 167 will be somewhere here. And it will be 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So there's the next spot height. 78,42. The next one is 65. 65 is here. And the length is also 65. So it's there. Okay, this height is 76,62. Okay, the next one is 265. So 265 minus 180 is 85. So it's 0 to 180 plus 85 is somewhere here. And that is then the distance 67. So it's going to be here. And that height is 79,2. Okay, then you have to do the same for B, the same for C. Okay, once you are done, you're going to start with your triangles. Let's maybe quickly do some for B. Okay, let's just randomly plot some of them for B. Then you include the heights, let's say 74, 73, 78, etc. Once you've plotted this, then you plot C. Once you've done plotting, you start with your triangulation, light lines. Triangulation must be between spot heights that you know the height of. So you can't triangulate A. That triangle will go this way, this way, this way. Light lines. Okay, then you start with your interpolation. Between 74,2, let's make it, and 79, how many contours are there going to be? It's going to be 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, not 74. 74 will be this side. Then you start with this formula, interpolation. You measure this length, 81 millimeters. And you take the highest one, 79,2 minus 74, the lowest, equals 79, the highest, negative, the next one we want to determine is 79, over x. And on your calculator, x79 will be solve. Right. Okay, the distance for 79 is 3,24 millimeters. For 78, then you just change the 70. You just change this every time. For 78, it's going to be 19,44. X77 35,64 millimeters. 76. Okay, this you do on a separate sheet. Don't do it on your drawing. And then 75, solve 68. Then you start. 79 you measure is going to be 3 millimeters. So 79 is going to be there. 78, 19. So it's going to be somewhere there. 77, 35. So 77 is here. 76, 51. 75, 68. Okay, then you make those dots. Then you do the same between here, né? The same formula. Then it's going to be 79,2 negative 73,83 over the distance 71 equals 79, the highest one, negative. What's the next interval going to be? Yes, 79. And then it's going to be 78, 77, 76, 75, 74. So then again on your calculator, the 79 distance from the highest point is going to be 2,64 millimeters. So it's going to be very close. It's going to be there somewhere. For 78, it's going to be 15,87. So it's going to be there. For 77, 29, somewhere there. 76, 42, going to be somewhere there. 75, somewhere there, and then 74, 68. It's going to be very close. After you've done all of this, you must do it for all of them. Then you connect all your 79. So there you connect it. 78, 77, 76, 75. 74 is here, and the other 74 will be either here, or here. Then it might start doing this. Okay. But you need to do it for all your triangles, so it's very tedious. Now it takes very long. You connect all of your 75s, all of your 76. If you are done, you can take a different sheet, put it over, do it nice and neatly, or you must erase all of your light lines. If it's very light, like this, you can leave it. Okay, but I want to see where the spot heights are. I want to see your A, B, C, and I want to see your contours. Okay, and then on the contour,